Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and this time we're demonstrating an AM 8-track, which is now an AM-FM 8-track. This comes from my friends at Glenn's Classic Mustang in Rome, Texas. Thank you so much to my friends at Glenn's Classic Mustang for their business from Texas, and they've requested the modern internal FM conversion with Bluetooth, and so we're going to make sure everything works before we send her back. So I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get, so let's turn around.
But if we realize this is not what we the people want...
Okay, and while we have it on talk radio, we're going to check our balance and fader, all that stuff.
Serve us.
Okay, left, right balance, all the way left.
It really matters.
All the way right.
The last thing I'll say
left.
We're seeing the power of
okay, now we're going to activate the virtual front rear fader.
Right? When we wake up and say, we don't like this anymore, companies start reacting.
Fader adjust.
Okay, so now the same control is adjusting our front rear steering all the way front,
I
all the way
feel
rear,
bad when I talk about
front,
the price of colleges.
rear.
I don't think it's important.
Okay,
I would do
center.
anything. Thankfully now, when I went to school,
Fader
set. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Okay, let's go to FM, which we do by turning it off and then right back on within about a half a second. So here we go, off, on. Okay, now we're on FM. We don't need this stuff anymore. We'll just run down the dial, make sure we pick up some FM stations.
Colabora en la labor de la...
KAHM.
The public in our research.
yes.
Hear my essays. I need
Red Mountain weight loss. I'm sure you...
Overall pressure on
Any new Toyota.
kids are saying yes, let's low to 9 of 61.
Okay, let's try the 8-track. Probably want to turn it down a little bit before you put a tape in. I got to adjust it pretty hot.
Isn't true such a lonely world, the world through a tear from days gone by. Wonderland of love, let's go steady again. Why don't we take the time to the tear I cry? You don't know what you're doing to me. Let's go steady again.
Alrighty, pull the tape out and the radio comes back. So let's check the dial light. And that is working, even though you can't see it, I saw it. So we're ready to go back to the customer, and I'm ready to get on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and to reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below. And if you download and print the work order before calling me with questions, you may not need to call me because all my prices and options, including options for turnaround time, are right there in the work order. So please do have a copy of the work order in your hand before calling me with a bunch of questions. And thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you to my friends at Glenn's Classic Mustang for your business all the way from Texas, and we'll see you guys next time.